As you can see here, Purloline Helmet Sanitizer we will use to clean my helmet. Shake well before use. One thing is, remember, if you have any intercom devices, so I recommend to remove the device, then you use this one. Start. So you can see the all dirt is gone. Smell also is good. Now we can use outer shell also. As you can see, we use the Purloline Helmet Sanitizer to clean my helmet. The all fungus is clean, smell is nice, and this is pocket friendly and also, and you can use in the travel bag. Hope you like the video. If you have any query, please contact to us, DM on Instagram. Welcome to our